Hi everybody, we're just going to do a quick import into Iris Accounts Production next. So what we need to do is first of all go to Setup, and if you're logged in as the master user, you'll be able to go into Practice Options and go into KashFlow. Okay, you can then put in your KashFlow username and your KashFlow password. Okay, and that's for KashFlow Connect as your accountant. And you'll be able to pull through your client's information straight into the AP software. Now we can do that with PTP accounts production, we can do it with Iris accounts production, and we can do it with Key Time accounts production. I'm just using my Iris for today. Okay. Now once you've hooked up your KashFlow Connect account with your accounts production, you just need to have a look at your client, click in View Client, and you'll be able to see KashFlow Client Quality Electronics. We can press that magnifying glass if it's not right, so we can have a look at who else we have there, Eaton Limited and Demo Account, but we'll leave it as Quality Electronics. We can also create a new client in KashFlow as well, so we can create a new client in KashFlow, but from our accounts production screen. And if we don't want to link them to a KashFlow client, we don't have to. And I'm going to leave them with Quality Electronics and close that. So we're going to go to Postings, New Postings, and we're going to go with 2014, even though I've already done that one, it's okay. We're going to go with UK GAAP, and we're going to call it KashFlow Import. Okay, now it comes up with asking us to specify a posting batch, so the session identifier, we'll just leave that as blank, and it'll pre-fill as the date. And if we go to document type, I'm going to pop in 20. I've used 20 as a document type, but you don't have to. I'm going to do an active import from KashFlow. KashFlow is going to ask us if we want to bring through the opening balances, depending on if we've done the year-end process or not. If we have run the year-end process in KashFlow, accounts production will bring through the journals that it's created. I'm going to import with opening balances. And now accounts production is asking us to choose our mapping file. So we do have mapping files built into the software. I've got a slightly different, more customized version here, which is KashFlow 2. And it's going to bring nearly everything across. Now you'll see in a second that there are some things that it can't bring across. We call those invalid postings. And that's for whatever reason you've put a nominal within KashFlow, maybe something very industry specific, and you've not told accounts production what it is. Okay? So all we need to do is go into here and choose the right nominals. KashFlow will then remember, going forward, that for example, what's 4,005 in KashFlow may be 280 within accounts, whatever you put it as. Now just to save time, I'm going to put all these as just number 1. Obviously it's not the right code, it is just a demonstration. We can press import, and all that information will come through into the Iris accounts production now. So there's our trial balance pulled straight through from KashFlow. Okay, and what we can do, we can see what made up this 11 here in hardware sales, and we can double click. And this will bring up what we call the KashFlow drill down. If you've not logged in for a while, it will log you out as a security feature. Let me just try that again. And this is our KashFlow drill down here. So we can even see all the journals that we've created, all our invoices, all our quotes. We can go in, reassign different products to nominal codes, change bank details, things like that. And then when we come out of it, by pressing the X button, accounts production will ask us if we want to take out the trial balance we've already imported and replace it with something new. I'm going to say no because I've not changed anything, but we could put any changes that we've made in KashFlow into the trial balance. And it's as simple as that. Thank you.